Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for November 6, 2019. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Steven DiMartino. And if you like these videos and you like the forecasts that you get around here, well, please like, share, subscribe, tell your friends and family where you get the best weather information out there for the Northern Mid-Atlantic. Now, we're going to talk about the general forecast that's upcoming and also what to expect for the rain-snow mix that's going to develop tomorrow night. And also, we're going to touch on the potential for a storm early next week and why you probably shouldn't be posting or really trusting any type of surface snow map, certainly beyond 3 days. We'll talk all about all of that. But first, let's get into the latest observations. High pressure is building in with a westerly wind around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Temperatures range from the mid to upper 30s over the northern interior, upper 30s to lower 40s in your suburbs, and mid to upper 40s in your major metro areas. On the latest surface map, high pressure is in control here over the Ohio River Valley. That will continue to drift towards our neck of the woods and push off the coast tomorrow. Tomorrow won't be a bad day. Winds are going to be coming in from the south, and high pressure generally in control. Is in the evening when we'll look for the threat for rainfall. Taking a look at our satellite picture, I want to focus down here towards the desert southwest. See that over there? That little bugger right there is our subtropical shortwave in this whole pattern. This is going to interact with this little shortwave up here in the polar jet stream. These two will interact, and as they develop, they'll form an area of low pressure. Now, over the past couple of days, we've been watching the evolution of this potential storm and the potential for some snow for our interior locations. It looks like it's going to be a little bit warmer solution because of the timing of the interaction between these two short waves and also the strength of both of these short waves. So now we got a better idea of what we're dealing with here. Our forecast is a little bit more fine-tuned with a better chance for some snowfall over the Poconos, about 1 to 2 inches. And for the northern interior, you'll see those showers mixing over to some snow showers, but not much in the way of any type of significant snow accumulation. A trace, maybe an inch for the highest elevations in northern New Jersey. But that is pretty much about it. Everyone else has been and continues to be a cold rain event with some chilly weather conditions by Friday morning. Take a look at our satellite picture closer to home. You can see the sun is rising, high pressure in control, clear skies. There barely is even a cloud in the sky. It's absolutely beautiful out there. So get out there and enjoy it after you watch this video, of course. So let's dive into this forecast. So we start off with today, high pressure in control, scattered cloud cover, temperatures rising into the lower to mid 50s. For tonight, high pressure pushes off the coast. Look for those winds to back to the south around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Increasing clouds can be expected throughout the day tomorrow. Temperatures will range tomorrow in the mid to upper 30s for lows and mid to upper 50s for highs. Even a few lower 60s are possible in some of your urban areas, especially around the Philadelphia metro. Now, for tomorrow night, this cold front will move through with periods of showers. And then this low pressure system will track up towards the Gulf of Maine by the time we get to Friday morning. As it does so, we'll see some snow over the Poconos, up towards the central Hudson River Valley. We're going to have dry air really invade fast towards the coastal plains. So any showers that are lingering, you may see a snowflake or two, but it really won't have an impact on any type of travel conditions. Temperatures on Friday will range from the lower to mid 30s for lows and upper 30s to lower 40s for highs. However, there's a little bit of a caveat here. The temperatures will plummet early in the morning behind the cold front into the 30s. They'll rise slightly into the upper 30s to lower 40s around mid-morning and then just go nowhere the rest of the day and then fall rapidly after that towards the evening hours. So anyway you slice it, with a strong northwesterly wind at 10 to 20 miles per hour, you're going to need a heavy coat. It is going to be a bit chilly out there. On Saturday, high pressure and complete control. Now with that high pressure system, light winds means temperatures are going to be able to plummet. We're looking at low temperatures on Saturday ranging from the lower to mid 20s, even seeing some upper teens. So definitely very chilly out there. More likely to see upper 20s, lower 30s on the immediate coast. High temperatures on Saturday won't get much better. We're talking about highs in the upper 30s to lower 40s, a few mid 30s as you head towards the higher elevations. On Sunday, the high pressure system starts to exit, get more of a southerly flow. Look for increasing clouds and temperatures are a little bit warmer. lows in the upper 20s to lower 30s, highs in the upper 40s to mid 50s. Now here's where things get interesting. This strong, and I mean very strong cold front, will be moving through on Monday with scattered showers, even a few snow showers mixed in there. Temperatures on Monday will range from the upper 30s to lower 40s for lows and lower to mid 40s for highs. Now here's where things get interesting. We're going to see an area low pressure start to develop on Tuesday down here, and then on Wednesday, basically Tuesday afternoon through Wednesday morning, track up towards the far coastal waters of southern New England. Now, I understand there are some of you guys out there that love to see the worst case scenario and post it and talk about snow maps and this is a threat. Understand that when I look at the model data, I'm not going to go too much in depth, I save that for the premium discussion, but when I look at the data, the reason why I'm not so enthusiastic about a widespread snowstorm for this time period is because there's more data suggesting that this low pressure system is going to be further out in the Atlantic. It's going to be cold, there's no doubt about that. But the low pressure system and the whole pattern overall would suggest a storm track kind of like what's being shown out here. So if you get something like this, what you end up with is more on the edge with the bulk of the precipitation shield out over the waters, and you get this scattered rain snow shower changing over to snow shower scenario. Does that mean that we won't see snow at all? No, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that before you get overexcited about a major winter storm or anything of that nature, or start seeing snow maps being posted for 6 days out, remember the snow event for tomorrow night, a couple days out, was suggesting 4 to 8 inches of snow over northeastern Pennsylvania. Now we're trying to squeeze out 1 to 2 inches. So you could see the model data changes. What I just want to make you aware of is that right now there is far more data and far more support to keep this storm out in the Atlantic than towards the coastal waters, and far more likely for this to just be a scattered snow shower event with a lot of cold air. The focus here to me in this scenario is going to be the cold air. How cold? Well, we're talking about on Tuesday temperatures on the coast ranging from the lower to mid 20s for lows and mid 30s for highs. Interior upper 20s to lower 30s. On Wednesday, lows in the upper teens to lower 20s, highs in the lower to mid 30s. So the key story here for next week, it's going to get cold. Get your jacket out. But in terms of snowfall and snow maps of, I don't know, I've seen some where projecting 6, 10, 12, 15 inches of snow. Let me tell you something. If that was the case, I still wouldn't be posting it out this early because a lot can change. And the key thing to remember here is that during this time period, you're more likely to see this develop out over the coastal waters, far out over the coastal waters, than closer to the coastal waters. So we'll keep an eye on it. Don't worry. No hype here, just the facts. That's your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NY and JPA weather. And as always, stay safe out there.